I like to take all these young friends to thousands of years of our colonization and the civilization. The civilization started and the man wanted to dominate another man. One man over another man, one group over another group, one country over another country, like that. And that is part is called as colonization. So we saw traditionally something called as military colonization. Somebody would come with sword, then cannon, guns, rule the other part. We were ruled by so many people. Britishers came here, Dutch came here, Mughals were there. Everybody had come because they had that military colonization part. But in the last 200 years, we saw that this has changed. World has emerged better. There is civilization. Things have happened in the right way. But then energy colonization happened. There are people who produce oil. There are countries who consume oil. We consume a lot of oil. There are countries who produce oil. We want to buy from them. But there are third countries who don't sell to us but dictate the terms. How should you buy the oil? Now, who are those countries? What is the power? Because they dictate terms. They are called as all energy colonizers. Now, in the last 30, 40 years, what we have seen is something called as data colonization, where the data is used like somebody, you would have heard in the stories that there were countries or part of the geography where the water was protected and they would sell the water to the citizens against their will, They would like to sell. So same way, the data has been protected and it has been sold. And this can be done in two ways, either by conflict or by convenience. So what they do in these kind of apps which you have taken names, they lure you, they convince you, you sign it and you give up your own liberty. You sign up your liberty and sign your slavery to them and you say that, okay, the data can be taken by them. And moreover, a geography which is not even more than NCR. If you put in Gurgaon, Delhi and Noida, there is a geography which talks about themselves to be superior in cyber security. The total population will not be of half the Noida.
Correct.
Yet they think that they are superior in this thing because they have created that kind of narration. And this narration can be done because you have become a part of that colonization. You accept that colonization without challenging it. And I think it is duty of each citizen, one, to educate each other, two, to create noise so that people in the power listen to this and then they put in laws which protects us.
Correct.
So sometimes they would like to create a camouflage that this is observation by Big Brother, they would like to mediate, but this is basically to protect you because like mother protects a child, I think the nation also protects and laws will protect. So we all look forward for this law